we're going to see no other than I'm gapping your city, Mr. Student of the Game, Jack B. Quick. I'm gonna let you hear before we jump into it.
Yamaha's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey. No monkey.
Do that. Say what up, it's your boy Dude Mungus. Hey man, let me get over to the destination where we got this petrol station lighting and we got something to talk about. I am too daggone excited about today and this week. Let me know what you guys think about this pure video mode. Insta360, they have gotten down, bro. They have literally stepped the bar up, and how GoPro used to be the benchmark, it is now Insta360 in my opinion. They're so good. And even with like the new GoPro that came out, it is still not up to par with what the Insta360 Ace Pro is. It's just not there. I am so much more confident, there we go, with this Alif kickstand than the kickstand I had prior. It just is not. See, this Alif has this, and I'm not trying to give away the episode, but this Alif has this, listen to this. You guys might not be able to see, but it takes some force to get that Alif kickstand to go up and down. The other kickstand did not have that. But look at the bat doing what the bat does. Don't worry about that cord. I'm working on the new sound setup. Just give me a minute, but I almost got it figured out. I'm gonna let you hear before we jump into it. Oh, that joint is nasty. That joint is nasty. Caleb made, bro, y'all got down with the get down. Caleb made, bro, like, what are you guys doing, bro? What are you guys doing over there? All right, let me get this helmet off and we go jump into it. Clean that out and clean it and get this ready. Dude and do that. Say dude and do that. Say what up? It is your boy Dude Mungus. Hold up, man. I know how to let y'all see the bat. I know how to, but I can't just not do episodes without just letting you guys see the bat. Give me a walk around on the bat. Yeah, sir. The bat. This bike, it never ceases to amaze me on how good it is. Man, this is not gonna be a long episode. Sorry, I'm over here filming, improvising. And this is something I love about the Insta360 Ace Pro. Let me see if I can catch this on the 360 camera. And this is something I love about the Insta360 Ace Pro. Literally, look at this. Well, you can't see, but flip up this screen and I can see myself as I'm vlogging, so I know exactly what's going on. This is cool as heck. All right, you're done. Petrol stations have the best lighting. They just flat out do. But I am truly excited. I don't know if you guys can see the hoodie that I have on, and faggot. Yes, sir. Lock them in, boy. Lock them in, man. I am truly excited that we have a new channel sponsor for 2025, which is Alifperformance. Man, I've been wanting to work with these guys for a while now. And now that I have the opportunity to work with them, I am super excited. We are currently in the hunt. We are bike shopping right now. There is a couple of bikes I'm looking at, but there's specific specs that I'm looking at. And we'll jump into that a little later. I just wanted to let you guys know I am excited to be working with Alifperformance, and we're gonna make it get down with the get down. We've already talked, and I given them my list. I was like, yo, this next bike it got big shoes to fill. So I was like, yo, we gonna have to get it, but I trust them. I trust in their expertise that they have going on. They build a lot of street bikes. They build a lot of race bikes. They kind of get down with the get down. I've been watching these guys
for a couple years, and I like what they do. I like how they do they thug dizzle, and I was like, yo, I want to get down with some of that. I will go ahead and say this. I do have a discount code on their website. I will leave that link in the description. Anything you buy through that link, you will get a 10% discount on your items. And I don't want to give too much away, so I'm gonna stop talking about it, because if I keep talking, you guys will be like, Mungus, I already know what bike you're gonna get. This video is partly about that, but the main part of this video, we're going to see no other than I'm gapping your city, Mr. Student of the Game, Jack B. Quick. I've learned so much from this gentleman as far as life. We gonna get to the bike stuff, but it's just as far as life. Talk about being a brother. Like, bikes originally brought us together, but we're so far past that right now. And then you turn over to the bikes. This dude, when I tell you this dude is a student of the game, this is what I would do. I'm giving away something I probably shouldn't do. Jack B. Quick is my secret weapon. I'll FaceTime Jack B. Quick. Hey, look at my setup. And he'll be like, XYZ. Change XYZ, bike is doing what it needs to do. He is getting out of the bike scene, man. I've been knowing this guy for, oh God, 4 or 5 years now. Super humble guy, super down to earth. Good vibes all the time, and this is going to be his farewell meet. He's felt like he's done what he needs to do in the motorcycle community, so he's like, yo, it's time for me to move on to bigger and better things. Jack B. Quick, man, I am going to miss you. I hate to see you go, brother, but I understand, and I am not missing this trip to send my brother off the right way, and you already know I'm gonna have to give you that L, my boy. I'm gonna have to give you that L. Even though you my boy, I'm gonna have to give you that L and send you off daggum right. But what I want to let you know, guys, what I wanted to let you guys know about this video, I am preparing to go out of town. And because I'm preparing to go out of town, my time crunch timeline is shrunk a lot. So you may not get as much content from me this week, is just because I'm preparing to go out of town and I want to spend some time with the family. So you guys already know how that goes. When I go out of town and I'm gonna be missing time away from the family, I shut stuff down. And this is one of the things, man. There will still be some sort of content up, but it just may not be the regular schedule. And I really don't know what that's gonna look like for right now. So right now we have the Tuesday video. I don't know what Friday's video is gonna look like, because, you know, I don't know what times look like. We may have something, we may not. I just want you guys to be prepared that we may or may not have something. So if there's not a full-length video up on Friday, I will at least put a short up. But anyway, I really didn't want to hold you guys too long. This is literally all I had for this episode, is to announce the new channel sponsor, Performance, for 2025. Link is in the description if you guys want to save some money on some parts. You guys go check out the website. They have a lot of products on the website and some things I think you would like. And just put in the comments, man, what do you guys think I'm going to get? I put up a poll a few weeks ago and I was like, would you guys like to see a liter bike or 600? And the liter bike won out of 6,000, almost 7,000 votes. 75% of you guys was like liter bike. And I'm just like, okay, liter bike, because I was in a deep debate, and I'm gonna have to make a separate episode about my process, but I was in deep debate. I was like, yo, am I doing 600 liter bike? And I was like, yo, let me ask my dude and dudettes and see what they would like to see on the channel. So liter bike went out, so we're definitely going liter bike. Which liter bike are we gonna go with? Because again, that's some big shoes to fill. So Performance, you have your work cut out for you. I'm just letting you know, you have your work cut out for you. But I'm excited about this, and I think we are already on the right track. Again, guys, go check out the website. If you see anything that you're interested in, I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can buy anything through that link, save yourself some money. And of course, anything you purchase helps out your boy. And we're gonna get this next build going real soon. I'm honestly expecting to have it within the next month or two, but there's 2 bikes I'm looking at, 2 bikes like hardcore. And with each bike, there is a specific spec, like to the T I am looking for. It has to be this spec if I'm going to rock with it. So I'm looking for them, and you know, we'll see. You just never know. We'll see. But anyway, dude and dudettes, I appreciate you guys rocking with me. Stay tuned. Oh, this is where, oh, dude, I almost forgot. I want to say thank you guys for rocking with me with the track footage and the Dude Mungus meet footage. I think I have an episode left of track footage, and I have an episode left from the Dude Mungus meet. I am seriously trying to get through that as fast as possible. Once we finish up that, dude, we got content for the rest of the year. We have the two-wheel monster tournament that went on, which was absolutely insane. Literally the fastest people in the nation were down here, and they was letting it do what it do, and it's amazing. Like, seeing my bike is like, yo, that's great, that's awesome. But seeing these bikes that are full tilt all in, dude, it is amazing seeing these bikes do what they do. It is like, it's mind blowing. So we got that content coming. We're about to go to Houston, and dude, it's content. And then probably after I finish up the Houston meet, I'll probably announce the new bike, because I'll probably have it by then. But you know what I'm saying? I got a YouTube life, you guys. I gotta leave you in just a little bit of suspense. But anyway, let me know in the description what you guys think we're gonna get. Let me know how you think we gonna do in Texas against them boys, because they got a lot of triple R's down there, and the bag got something to say. But anyway, man, I appreciate you guys rocking with me. You know who it is. It's your boy, Dude Mungus.
Belum sekolata. Namake. 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 Thank you for watching, dudes. Namake.
All right, let's make it do what it do, baby. Oh, I gotta get a new aim dash. Oh, I gotta get a new screen for Houston. Let me get a new screen for them boys, cause we trying to put in some work. Trying to get me to race, bro. I ain't racing you. First of all, I don't know you. It's nighttime. Maybe I should have obliged him, but it's a Mustang. You ain't ready. I just tell you like that. You ain't ready. Again, any purchase made through any links or affiliates I have for the channel helps the channel out huge. And because of that, it's taking some time. But because of that, we're about to add a new bike to the fleet, baby.